Hi, I'm Noam from Galooli, and this time we're going to go over a case study showing how we help one of our customers in India to optimize the operation of their generators. First, let's talk about our customer's challenge. The customer, a cell site operator in India, was concerned with rising energy costs and generator use at their remote sites. With very little visibility over their sites and without any physical presence on site. So, what is our solution? Our solution is designed to monitor and bring out the maximal and most efficient performance out of a number of energy assets, including generators. We monitor generator performance in real time, especially metrics regarding the generator's health and efficiency, like voltage, kWh, frequency, generator's load, battery level, and working hours. And now, to the outcome. Using our solution and following the actionable insights Galooli has provided the customer, they were able to reduce generator's fuel consumption by 20% a month, lower the generator's hours by an average of 15% monthly, reduce the generator's replacement by 15% annually, and save over $2 million annually in operational and energy-related costs. Maximizing your organization's energy efficiency can help reduce operational and energy-related costs, even during an energy crisis. Want to learn more about Galooli's solution and discover our remote monitoring management platform? Click here to visit our website.